Hi friends, in this we will discuss about what is critical thinking. Critical thinking is the intellectual discipline process of actively and skillfully conceptualizing, analyzing, applying, synthesizing and evaluating information gathered from or generated by observation, experience, reflection, reasoning or communication as a guide to belief and action. And also, critical thinking is the mode of thinking about any subject or content in which thinker improves the quality of his or her thinking by skillfully analyzing, assessing, and reconstructing it. Critical thinking is self-directed, self-disciplined, self-monetized, self-corrective thinking. In 1941, Edward Glaser defines critical thinking as follows: the ability to think critically, as conceived in the volume, involves three things. The three things are: first one, an attitude of being disposed to consider in a thoughtful way the problems and subjects that come within the range of one's experience. And the second one is about knowledge of the methods of logical inquiry and reasoning. The third one is some skills in applying those methods. Critical thinking is nothing but we think logically and creatively. That is called critical thinking. In the critical thinking, the student develop their motivation and confidence in their learning and also solve problems in their life. Here we see the elements of critical thinking. In the elements of critical thinking, some of them are there. The first one is identification of premises and conclusions. In this, critical thinkers break arguments. They think logically. And the second one is clarification of arguments. In this, critical thinkers locate ambiguity and vagueness in arguments and propositions. And the third one is establishment of facts. The thinkers establish their own thinking. And the next one is evaluation of logic. In the evaluation of logic, critical thinkers determine if the premises support the conclusion. In deductive arguments, then conclusions must be true if the premises are true. In inductive argument, the conclusions are likely if the premises are true. And lastly, the final evaluation. In the final evaluation includes the critical thinkers weigh the evidence and arguments. The thinkers avoid the argument. These are the elements of the critical thinking. Thank you.